also get inspired by the freedom I have and the opportunities I get. Like when I get to speak in front of a large group of people, I feel like that's a really big privilege because not everybody has that. I really believe that the environment I'm surrounded in with all the rights that I'm protected by, all the freedoms I have in Canada, it's had an effect on my confidence and my morals, my values, all of the things that I cherish. Obviously, there's like a lot of like animosity that goes around, but I feel like if somebody has the self-love that they have or the confidence and just determination to disregard any hate or whatever, they have the morals to overcome a lot. And so I feel like I have that.